Alrighty guys, it's my Just Droning Cameras. I'm up at Fox House today. I'm on my own, everybody else is at work. Last time I came up here it was with Steve Gardner, and he was from all the way from Anglia. You get that, Sean Matthews? Anglia. Yeah, I had the Spark, couldn't fly it because basically it was just too windy, but now I've got a Mavic. It's a little bit breezy, but nothing the Mavic can handle. I'm going to have a little fly around and hopefully not crash it. It's the first time I've been out on my own with it, so hopefully everything's going to go okay. I'm just going to have a little test, see what it's like, take a few pictures and everything. I've got my little crystal ball, I'm going to use that today, and also I've got my big camera as well, my Fuji camera, so I'm going to take a few pictures with those. They'll be posted on Instagram if you want to go follow me on there. That's absolutely awesome. It's Just Drones 1971. I've not changed it yet, obviously back to Pixie's channel. So yeah, if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, and also if you're new here, if you like what you saw, please smash the big red button. That would be absolutely awesome. And also don't forget to share the video as well. Let's get some more views on this. Alright then guys, I'll see you in a bit, and I hope you enjoy the vid. See you later guys, bye.